she's cute. She's cute. And she's fitting super snug on my head. I love that. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I feel right now. I love this bag. Like, I love everything about the packaging. I do like that she already has an elastic band inside here. Oh my god. I'm gonna try and slide her a little bit back. Oh my god. She's cute. Alright guys, so this is how the wig turned out. I absolutely love it. And another thing that I love about this wig is that it is super affordable. This wig is under $100.